Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have sushi-grade fish or crisp vegetables. Next, prepare your sushi rice perfectly, seasoning it with a special vinegar mixture. Then, you'll learn to assemble your chosen fillings onto nori sheets. Finally, we'll cover the technique for rolling and cutting your homemade sushi. Choosing the right ingredients is key. Opt for sushi-grade fish or fresh vegetables like cucumber and avocado. The foundation of great sushi is the rice. Rinse short-grain rice until the water runs clear, then cook it. While warm, gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Allow the seasoned rice to cool completely before you start assembling your rolls. Now for the fun part, assembly. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo mat. Wet your hands slightly and spread a thin, even layer of rice over most of the nori, leaving about a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your fillings, such as fish, avocado, or cucumber, in a line across the center. Then, using the mat, roll firmly and evenly, tucking the ingredients in as you go. Once your rolls are complete, it's time to slice them. Use a very sharp, damp knife to make clean cuts, ensuring each piece looks perfect. Aim for 6 to 8 equal pieces per roll for easy serving. Arrange your beautiful sushi on a platter and serve with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. By the way, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.